Like, because everything we get, we grow ourselves. No matter who you are, you can learn how to grow your own food. You don't have to do it forever and all the time like we do as farmers. But once you learn it, even with a small one little pot for growing your own plants, your own food, no one can ever take that knowledge away from you. And you can pass it on.
In the next episode of Stack's Urban Harvest, you'll see why Tree Amigos Growers is not your typical plant nursery.
We've worked so hard and been through so much together that, you know, he's my brother. And I'm lucky to be able to start a business with someone I have that good a relationship with.
Yep, thank you, man. That's same here. I feel like that's really like where it comes from. That kind of gets reflected onto our clientele and to our extended community, is that feeling that, look, here we are a family, so by extension you become part of that family.